Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government expects revenue of around 1,500 crore by December from ore e-auctioning. Petrol prices to be hiked by 2 rupees and diesel by 1 rupee from August 1st. Accused in Vedashree's suicide case reside at their ancestral home in Mainkure, claims Parab family. Rubbish allegations by Vedashree's parents. Draft mining policy in House for discussion by first week of August. CM calls for discussion on policy and issues regarding leases in House. Regional plan review after resolving mining crisis. Powers accountability on panchayats to curb illegality. Illegal constructions to be considered criminal. And India get off to great start in judo and badminton at Glasgow 2014 20th Commonwealth Games open in colourful fashion. And now the news in detail. From 1st August, petrol would be 2 rupees dear and diesel 1 rupees dear in the state. CM was replying to the general budget discussion in Assembly on Thursday. Parrikar is also expecting a revenue of 1,500 crore by December from ore e-auctioning. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar says that it has become very easy to communicate with the union government and to get the work done. He announced that government will give land to construct IIT and AIIMS behind present dental college.
Speaker sir, परिस्थिती बदलल्या. अच्छे दिन आ गए. म्हाका आयल्या कारण काम करता आसतना तकलेर कसलेच टेन्शन ना. कोण कितें गुड्डुलासांव करतलो हें टेन्शन ना. कितें लागले फोन उखल्लो मारलो की काम जाता. 11-12 जे फिस्कल डेफिसीट आशिल्ले ते 12-13.2 पर्यंत सकयल देंवले आनी अंदूच्या वर्सा ते सरप्लस जातले 9 कोटी डेफिसीट आसचे ना हाजी गॅरंटी दिता. ह्या वर्सा जे डायरेक्शन दाखयता पळय द ग्रोथ वील बी वॉपिंग 25%. बस बॉडी आसा पळय ताजे 12.5 जो वॅट आसा तो आमी 5% करता. हांव अनाउन्समेंटूय करता मुद्दाम. आणि रेफ्रिजरेशन वॅन बांदपा खातीर बॉडी बिल्डींग 5% जो वॅट आसा तो 1%चेर हाडटा. बांबोळे 4,87,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जी जमीन आहा ती अर्दी एम्साक आनी अर्दी IITक दिवप हे प्रपोजल आमचे कडेन गेला. ऑलरेडी गेला म्हणजे अबाउट टू गो मे बी. आय वील गिव ऑल पावर्स टू विलेज पंचायत एक्सेप्ट गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट एंड इन्फ्रा इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रमोशन बोर्डान एप्रूव केल्ले प्रोजेक्ट. परत सांगता सगळे कडेन कायदो फॉलो केलो वतलो. म्हाका दिसता देर आर एटलीस्ट 1 crore square meter of private land where they want to set up industry or tourism oriented project which can be considered case to case basis. So in 5 years planning for 50,000 is not a big number. 2 रुपया आमी पेट्रोलाचेर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर फंडा खातीर त्याच गजाली खातीर 1 ऑगस्टाच्यान आमी वाडयता. 2 रुपया पेट्रोलाचेर 1 रुपया डिझेलाचेर. गिव अस 6 months more and I promise you power will not trip like it. I know power is tripping. Reliance trip जाले डायरेक्ट 35 मेगावॅट पावर गेली सर्किटांच्यान. आमकां उलटे सप्लाय करचे पडटा. तो प्रॉब्लेम 14 ऑगस्टाक सॉल्व जातलो. रिलायन्साचें ताजे पयलीं रिलायन्साचें आमचें रिलायन्स वॉज अ रॉंग डिसिजन. मोविन गुदिने वॉज रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड मिस्टर प्रताप सिंग राणे. ह्या बजेटांच्यान वी कॅन रियली पूट गोवा ऑन अ ट्रॅक. आनी कोणाक जर फिस्कल डेफिसीट बजेटरी डेफिसीट हाजी चिंता आसत जाल्यार हांव फक्त इतलेंच सांगता वी स्टील हॅव 13 million tons of iron ore for e-auctioning worth around 1,800 crores. So please don't worry, all of that will be a e-auction before December. I am only waiting for international price to slightly adjust. So 1,800 crores can come in the coffer or maybe 1,500 crores.
Vedashree's brother-in-law claims that his family stays with him in the ancestral house at Mainkure, but police have already informed the court that accused in the case are not traceable. Sessions Court will hear the anticipatory bail on Friday. Walpo MLA Vishwajit Rane has raised this issue as calling attention, but CM Parrikar will reply on the issue on Friday. It's been 10 days, but police have still not arrested any accused in the case. Meanwhile, Parab family has rubbished the allegations by Vedashree's parents. Vedashree's suicide case came up in the assembly on Thursday. CM Parrikar is likely to reply to the calling attention on Friday.
Fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of village of Masoda in Sattari Taluka on the tragic incident of the suicide case of Srimati Vedashree Parab, along with a 4-year-old daughter, and steps the government has undertaken to have a proper thorough investigation in the matter.
Aka फाल्या उत्तर मेळटलें ताजेर फाल्या विशय घेवया आमी.
For the first time after the suicide, Parab family members came before the media. Vedashree's brother-in-law spoke to media in Margaon. He has rubbished the allegations made by Vedashree's parents. He mentioned that nobody pressurized Vedashree for taking a loan. Siddesh Parab and Sarvesh Parab said she was not harassed because of birth of a girl child.
आणि 5 lakhs लोन आता काढपाक प्रेशर घालताले म्हणटाले ते आमी दोयल्यान तिगे भावन परतून आमी लोन काडले 10 lakhs गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकान आमी सी गो बायला आदी एका समजून लोन काडटलीच 3 lakhs तिने लोन काडलेले पर्सनल लोन ते बीन प्लॉटाक लागून काडले आणि 5 lakhs खंयचे लोन काडटली ती सॅलरी तितली कमी आसली तिका 10,000 सॅलरी मेळटाली ती म्हणटा की ते चेडू जाले म्हणून हॅरस करता सो एकाय चेडू आसा आतां तुमकां फोटो सुद्दां दाखोवपाक येता इतले आमी तेंचे कडेन बरे आसताले आवले आमी 3 जाण भाव आमचो डॅडी आनी मामी चेडू जाले म्हणून इतले खूश जातले.
Police are supposedly in search of Vedashree's husband Yogesh Parab, father and mother-in-law. Police informed the court that the accused were untraceable, but Vedashree's brother-in-law says they are residing at their ancestral house in Mainkure and nobody came in search of them.
Guilty na तुम्ही पुलिसा किती म्हणा?
हां
कायद्यात किती?
आम्ही हे आमचे नेटिव्ह प्लेस आमले बिचोली Mainkure. सो थिंगा येवपाक येता पुलिस इन्क्वायरी करपाक येता नो प्रॉब्लेम. सो थिंगा आसा आमी अजून थंय कोण पावपूच ना.
Brother-in-law said they have no idea why Vedashree committed suicide. She was not troubled by the family.
Epilepsy etika so tinga treatment chalva ji so brain mapping mean tinga mental illness.
Police checked the Margaon flat of the accused on Thursday. Sessions Court will hear the anticipatory bail on Friday. Court has not given any interim relief to the accused. It's been 10 days and police have not arrested the accused nor issued any summons to Parab family. Bureau Report, Prudent. Draft of mining policy will be tabled by the first week of August. Draft will be completed by 31st of July. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar informed the House that job security of employees and trucks owners would be considered while framing the policy. Only 1,436 people are availing mining package. There is no identity of remaining thousands of workers. Government will review rejected applications. CM made it clear that e-auction money would be used for financial package.
There are only 1,000 people have been availing this package. Whether 55 million tons which was being exported, only 1,000 people could do this work.
1,436. इतल्या लोकांक मेळटा. ताजे कारण तो त्या कामार आशिल्लो हाजे कितें तरी पुरावो दिवचो पडटा. Case in tribal belts, if tribal people are involved, I am ready to reduce that 3 years period even to 1 year period. Because around 4,000-5,000 application came. 3,000 have been rejected.
जे कॉम्पेन्सेशन आता रिलीफ पॅकेज आसा आता मायन्स लिजीस आमी परत करतले आनी हे जे लॉस्ट जॉब एम्प्लॉईज आसा न्ही तांकां कशें एकोमोडेट करतले लिजीस मे गो टू सम अदर पार्टी हाऊ विल वी आयडेंटिफाय देम एंड पुट ऑन जॉब
I don't know whether leases will go to the same person, to someone else. Because ज्या वेळार आमी पॉलिसी मॅटर घेवन ऑगस्टान केन्ना तरी हांव हावजा फुडें येतलो फर्स्ट विकान कारण पयले दीस हातूनच डिस्कशनानूच गेला त्या वेळार आमी डिस्कशन करुया त्या वेळार लीज दिवपाचे काही आयडियाज तुमकां दिसता जाल्यार तुमी सांगात सगळे जाण सांगात पण एक गजाल लक्षांत धर जाका कोणाक लीज मेळटली ती म्हणूनच हांव सांगता की ऑक्शनान लीज केली जाल्यार आय कॅनॉट पूट दॅट एज अ कंडिशन. So I will have to devise a mechanism by which the protection to the employed and the truck owners, machinery owners is also ensured in the whatever proposal we come with. So अनेक आठवडाभर कळ काड साधारण म्हाका दिसता फुडल्या 30 किंवा 31 तारखेपर्यंत आमी रेडी करता काही की हांव जनतेचो पयसो येना ई ऑक्शनांचे जे पयशे येतले पळय तेच दितलो. वयल्यान पयशे उरतले.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.